Let's take a quick look at the interface. And yes, it has changed in Photoshop 6. You'll notice that if you get into Illustrator, InDesign, even Lightroom, the interfaces are coming together in terms of the way they look. And some of the feature sets that we can create can be moved from program to program, giving us easy access to everything we need to get the job done. Now, over on the left, of course, is the toolbar. There are some new tools over there. But if you, like some people, like it the old way, where it was doubled, you can click this button right here and it still allows you to take it back to the traditional toolbar. What you're doing if you go single is you're giving yourself just a little bit more room, left and right. And one thing about Photoshop, it's about real estate too. Pull-down menus are about the same. Of course, there's new things here. But one of the cool things is, if you look over here, the way this system is set up is with Essentials. And that's this button right here. If I click that button, I can change to other types of workspaces. Now, we're going to get into workspaces in the next chapter, but watch this. New in CS6. Check that one. Now go to the pull-down menus. See all those things that are outlined, blue? They're new features or enhanced features. So if you're pretty good with CS5.5 and you're saying, well, I kind of wonder what's new in CS6, but I don't want to really have to dig for it. All you really have to do is change it right over here, and you can find every new feature and figure them out. Let's go back to Essentials for now. Let's open an image. Let's go to the word File real quick, go to Bridge. That's my favorite way to open images. Let's just open something real quick, because something changed down here. What it says down here is document size 34.9 megabytes / 34.9 megabytes. The number on the left represents the size of the file saved as a single layer document on your hard drive. The file size on the right represents its working size in Adobe Photoshop. So watch this. If I come over here and drag background, that's the layer that contains that photo, on top of the new icon, that'll give me a copy. Now you'll notice the file size doubled. It went to 69. This number stayed the same. This number on the right is the one you really have to look at if you're thinking the program's going slow on you. You may just be working on a huge file as a working document. Don't forget also, when you come over here, when you change a tool, the options that control the tool are directly up here, right in front of your face. Been that way for years. So if we go to the Move tool, we can auto-select things by group. We can show transform controls. If we go to the Marquee tool, we can feather, or we can try a style, maybe fixed ratio or fixed size. It's up to you. But the whole idea of this interface, and the reason they are changing it, is not to frustrate anybody. They're doing it because they're bringing the systems together in a way that reduces complexity and helps us be creative. I think that's the whole goal here. So, real quick, in a nutshell, there's your interface. Hope you enjoy it. On to the next.